Welcome to Edinburgh's Royal Mile. Where history meets vibrant street performances. As we stroll down this iconic street, we'll encounter a fire breather, a knife juggler, and a unicyclist.
With the fire, I'm going to extinguish this flame using only my mouth. Do you guys want to see that?
Incredible skill.
Yeah? All right, say yeah if you want to see that. Yeah. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Audience, let's do it together. Everyone. 1, 2, 3. You guys have been a fantastic crowd. Before I finish off the show, let me introduce myself. Thank you so much for joining me. This is a quiet show. Usually I have an amplifier. My voice is exhausted right now, but you guys have been such a lovely audience. I did not expect this big of a turnout here tonight. My name is Hunter, and I'm 25 years old. Guys, I have been doing circus for over 20 years. It's true. Guys, I started when I was 5. Nowadays, I get to travel the world, doing shows like this for people like you, and I'm proud to say it's my job. Thank you, half of you. The other half looked like my parents when I told them. Disappointed. No, guys, the Edinburgh Fringe, they do not pay these street performers to do these shows. I'm sure most of you already know this, but at the end of the show, I will be standing on the ground with my hat in my hand, gratefully accepting any and all donations. If you like the show, if you're entertained, I just need everyone here, just take about 50 pounds.
A perfect finale to our exploration of the Royal Mile.
Charlie, best piece of
Also
work
witness
for
a
art.
magician performing street
No
magic,
representation of anything, don't worry. Both shows come to Edinburgh. Just made a little slight bit. I've already got a couple of people out there. Audience, show me that you're actually.
Finally, our tour concludes with an acrobat performing daring stunts. Thanks for joining this journey through art, culture, and history.